In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream Netflix on Discord without the black screen. So if you go now to your server, as example, you're trying to stream to your friends, as example, you go here and try to stream your Windows. Of course, first of all, I'd advise you to stream just the entire screen. It will help you out. Second of all, let me just go here. Oh, sorry. So what you'll need to do is simply go to the user settings at the bottom left corner. Once you click on that, you'll be taken here. You can go to this left panel and click on voice and video. Here an example, you should find yourself here. Okay, let me just go and here we are. Okay, let me just go and allow this. So in here an example, I'll just scroll down or not scroll down, just go and click on video, then scroll down. And as you can see under this advanced button, you'll find video hardware acceleration. Basically, you'll have to turn that off. Click on OK. And as you can see, just go and ignore this. What you'll need to do now is simply go next to, you can also like quit this, you don't need this anymore. And of course, now you'll have to go and disable that on your browser as well. Whatever browser you're using, just go to the settings as an example of it. And if you do have like a search button in your browser, just go and look for that and simply just go and look for hardware acceleration. So you can just go and type acceleration example, just go here and type that. So acceleration. And as you can see, you'll find this use graphics acceleration when available. All you need to do, just go and turn that off as well. And of course, you will have to relaunch your browser. So just go and click on relaunch and it will be relaunched. Now, what all you need to do, just go back to your Discord and you'll be able to go to the voice channel again. Just go and stream now your Netflix and you should be good to go without the black screen. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.